Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to send XRP from your Trust wallet to Revolut in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your XRP seamlessly, this guide is for you. It's quick, straightforward, and I'll walk you through every step to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone and that your XRP is already in your wallet. Also, ensure your Revolut account is set up to receive cryptocurrencies. Revolut supports XRP, but double-check for any 2025 updates on their app. Okay. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the XRP token. You'll see your balance there. Just tap on it to access the send function. Next, you'll need the Revolut wallet address for XRP. Head over to your Revolut app, go to the crypto section, and select XRP. There, you can generate or copy your deposit address. Make sure it's the correct one for the XRP network to prevent any errors. Now, back in Trust Wallet, paste that Revolut address into the To field. Double-check the address to avoid sending to the wrong place. That's crucial because crypto transactions are irreversible. Then, enter the amount of XRP you want to send. Remember, there might be network fees, so factor those in. In 2025, the XRP network is even faster, but fees can still vary. Once everything looks good, hit the Send button and confirm the transaction with your wallet's security features, like Face ID or a PIN. You'll get a confirmation screen. Review it carefully. After that, sit tight. The transfer should process quickly on the XRP ledger. Finally, once it's done, check your Revolut app to see if the XRP has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a few minutes and refresh. And there you have it. That's how you send XRP from Trust Wallet to Revolut in 2025. Always stay safe with crypto. Use secure connections and never share your private keys. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.